Okay, today we're going to practice our welded sound or the sticky sound, ing. Remember that is spelled I-N-G, sing, ing. Here we go. Here is our first word, wing. Tap it, w-ing. What's the first sound? W. What sound? W. What letter? W. Let's write it. Next sound, w-ing. Spell it, I-N-G. Now let's read it. First sound, w. Sticky sound, ing. Read it fast, wing. Next word, we're going to make one change. Change wing to swing. Let's tap it. S-w-ing. Swing. What's the first sound? S. That's right. We need to add an S to the beginning. Here we go. S. S. Keep the W. Add the ing. I-N-G. Let's read it. S. W. Ing. Read it fast. Swing. Next one. Change swing to sting. Let's try it. Tap it first. S-t-ing. Sting. First sound, s. That one's the same. Let's keep that. S. Next sound, t-t. We have a change. Change the w to t. What letter? Good. T. St. What was our word again? Sting. Here we go. S-t-ing. How do you spell ing? I-N-G. Let's read it slow. S-t-ing. Read it fast. Sting. Here we go. How about string? Trying to challenge you. Say, tap each sound. S-t-r. Ooh, I'm out of fingers. Ing. What's the first sound? S. That one's the same. Next sound, t. That's right, T. But now we hear something else. St. R. Really stretch it. String. What do we hear next? St. R. That's right, R. And then our sticky sound, ing. I-N-G. Let's read it slowly. St. R. We have a three-letter blend. We can read it fast. Str. And then our sticky sound, ing. Read the whole thing. String. Last one. Say the best one for last. It is almost spring. Here we go. Tap it out. S-p-r-ing. Spring. First sound, s. S. That's right. That one's the same. P. Ooh, that one's different. This time we hear what? P. That's right. That's the letter P. S-p-r. This is the same. R. And then our sticky sound, ing. I-N-G. Say each sound. S-p-r. That's our blend. Spr. And our sticky sound, ing. Read it fast. Spring. Woohoo! We did it. Let's read them all. Wing, swing, sting, string, spring. Awesome work.